is Eyewitness News with live breaking news.
Good morning. We begin with breaking news. This is Eyewitness News at 11 a.m. live on ABC 7, Hulu Live, and wherever you stream. I'm Giovanna Latta. Let's get to Scott Reif over the scene of a bizarre standoff in the city of Paramount. Scott.
Yeah, Giovanna went on for hours. It was an arson suspect inside that vehicle. There was a pursuit, started about 7:30 this morning, speeds up to 90 miles an hour on the 405 freeway. Suspect ended here on San Jose Street in Paramount, right next to Dominguez High School. Now, we're going to see some video. What the officers did just moments ago, they took the suspect in custody. That was 10 to 15 minutes ago. That was without incident, but he was inside that vehicle for several hours and just would not give up. We'll show you some more video, and they were really concerned about the fact that he was an arson suspect, may have started his residence on fire after being evicted, and also that there was visible flame inside the vehicle, a torch or a flare of some type. They were concerned he would hurt himself or catch the vehicle on fire. So they moved in fairly quickly. We have some more video, and right behind, they bear rushed right up to the vehicle behind a shield, and they used a fire extinguisher to make sure there'd be no more flame. But then the suspect jumped in the back. We'll come back out to a live shot. It was several hours after that footage you just saw. They took the suspect into custody. They had to evacuate a few homes, but everything is starting to return to normal, and they're breaking down the scene. Giovanna?
Okay, Scott, thank you for that.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC 7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel. And download the ABC 7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.